Hello, my name is Jonathan Brooks, and I am a senior at New Mexico State University. I am studying biology and conservation ecology. I am also in the MARC program here at New Mexico State University. Through the MARC program, I am allowed to work in Dr. Wright's lab, and this lab focuses on avian communication and evolution, and also works with genetics and behavior. Under the program, and to answer my own personal question, if rosy-faced lovebirds have individual call consistency over time, I am working underneath a doctorate student here at NMSU by the name of Dominique Helmich.
Hello, my name is Valeria Perez. I'm a senior in the biology major, and I'm also part of the MARC program. The MARC program, Maximizing Access to Research Career, focuses on increasing the number of scientists of minority groups pursuing a biomedical research career. The MARC program has allowed us to gain research experience in the lab of our preference, preparing us for our own respective research careers. Just as Jonathan, I'm also a member of the Avian Communication and Evolution Lab. My project, I work with doctorate student Grace Midvidari, and we assess whether monk parakeets have altered their learned calls post-invasion.
So here's a brief introduction of the equipment that we use to record our calls. This is a Marantz recording device, and this is a shotgun microphone, and this is what allows us to capture the sound, and this holds the sound. And then to look at birds at a distance, we use our binoculars. Lydia, these are the calls that I got from our recording session. Could you explain them to me?
Sure, Jonathan. Okay, so look, what you have here is that you have time on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis, right? So we're measuring kilohertz and seconds, but we also have the amplitude on the z-axis, so it's what's coming onto you out of the screen. So like you organize it, you have native on the first part, then you have 2004, 2011, and 2019, which are your invasion. If you're assessing whether there's consistency in their calls, then you should be looking at in between years. In years, you should be looking at whether the calls look similar or different.
I'm really excited about the work that Jonathan and Valeria are doing. Their work really ties in nicely to two different themes that are studied in my lab. One is how are parrots using learning, and specifically learning of vocalizations, to communicate amongst each other. And the second is how can invasive species adapt to new environments? And so they're combining these two by looking at how invasive parrots are using vocalizations, and this work can tie into work by others at how the native range parrots are also using their vocalizations. And this work has the potential to teach us interesting things about how humans use vocalizations as well, because we're a very adaptable species and we learn vocalizations and learn them in different social settings. So I think this work has much broader implications than just studying interesting parrots that are loose in some of our cities.
The Red Lab and the MARC program are properly preparing us for continuing research into a PhD.
We're very grateful for all the opportunities and the preparation that both the program and the lab have given us for our future PhD.